carbonation. And these carbocations are the main study of our reaction in your syllabus, that how carbocations are involved in the reaction. In which reaction? SN1 reaction, E1 reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene, etc. And the electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-oxygen double bond or carbon-nitrogen double bond. These carbocations effects or these carbocations take part in such reaction, that is SN1 reaction, E1 reaction, electrophilic substitution, and in electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-oxygen double bond. Similarly, nucleophiles, that is the carbon ion, which are involved, which are formed by the heterolytic dissociation of the carbon-carbon bond. These nucleophile in nucleophilic substitution in aliphatic system, nucleophilic substitution in aromatic system, or nucleophilic addition in carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-oxygen double bond. How? Now, how these carbocations are stabilized? First, the electron donation. Secondly, the carbon atom which is acquiring positive charge, if it joins to the carbon atom which contains the pi bond, that is carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond, in which the carbon atoms of the carbon-carbon double bond, the pi electrons of the filled carbon atom overlapped with the carbon atom of the positive charge which is vacant by overlapping. For example, allylic carbocation, that is CH3CH double bond CH2 plus, in which the carbocation is stabilized by the pi bond sharing, by pi bond overlapping, by pi bond resonance. Similarly, the benzylic carbocation, which is also stabilized by the pi orbital overlap of the benzene ring with the carbocation which is attached to the benzene ring by overlapping of the pi bond. Similarly, if the carbon atom contains the carbon-carbon triple bond, then it is also stabilized by resonance stabilized in this way. Now, another factors which also stabilize the carbocation, if the carbocation is attached to a adjacent heteroatom, that is NH2 group, OH group, SH group, that is heteroatom, which has filled pi electron or filled pi d orbital electron, which lone pair of electron which also overlap with the carbocation of the carbon atom by overlapping of the lone pair, that is filled lone pair to the vacant p orbital of the carbocation. That is also stabilized in this way. So, in this way, carbocations are stabilized. I will send you some result, some example, which you will find that various types, which one is stable, which one is most stable, and that is which contains heteroatom, which are stabilized by pi orbital overlap or d orbital overlap, and some example which contains p pi vacant orbital to the filled orbital, etc. So these carbocations are involved in the nucleophilic substitution reaction in aliphatic system. That is in SN1 reaction. What is nucleophilic substitution reaction? The nucleophilic substitution reaction at the in aliphatic system or in aromatic system, first we will consider the nucleophilic substitution in aliphatic system. In aliphatic system, the nucleophile means which is negatively charged, that is which attracts to the nucleus, that is the positively charged atom. That is nucleophile will attack the positively charged. That, for example, carbocation methyl plus, that will be attacked by a nucleophile. For example, in case of tertiary butyl chloride, which dissociates into tertiary butyl cation and Cl minus. Now this tertiary butyl cation will attacked by a nucleophile. Nucleophile means which contains negatively charged or contain unshared pair of electron which can donate electron easily. Negatively charged has extra electron which can donate electrons, or neutral nucleophile A that will also donate electrons to the electrophile, that is tertiary butyl cation. So if we consider tertiary butyl chloride with NaOH, then you will get the tertiary butyl alcohol. First step in SN1 reaction, the first step is the formation of carbocation. Why it is called SN1? Because in rate determining step only the one atom or concentration of one molecule is involved, that is the methyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride cation, that is the rate determining step and involved only one atom or one molecule. This tertiary butyl cation will attacked by a nucleophile, that is OH minus, to form the tertiary butyl alcohol. Now, this tertiary butyl alcohol formed by the SN1 reaction. Now, if we consider methyl chloride, isopropyl chloride and tertiary butyl chloride, then tertiary butyl chloride is more stable than the isopropyl chloride or ethyl chloride. Then in this reaction, the SN1 reaction is faster in tertiary butyl chloride greater than the isopropyl chloride greater than ethyl chloride, because the tertiary butyl chloride is cation is stabilized by 3-methyl group or by hyperconjugation effect. What is hyperconjugation effect? The methyl, this contains 3-methyl group, so there is a no bond resonance. With hyperconjugation is key. There is a no bond resonance in nerve. That is, there is a positive charge which will conjugate with the carbocation, and there will be a no bond, but there will be a resonance of the electron of the hydrogen atom. In this way, they will stabilize. Thus, this tertiary butyl chloride undergoes solvolysis with the solvent, that is alcohol, sodium hydroxide, in other nucleophile, other solvent which contains the nucleophile. In this way, electrophilic substitution SN reaction occurs. But for example, if we take neopentyl chloride, that is also undergoes solvolysis to give the neopentyl alcohol. But in case if there is a possibility of the carbocation, the neopentyl chloride, it is a primary alcohol that is which contains CH3 plus, CH2 plus, then there will be a rearrangement of the methyl group to form other product, that is neopentyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and there will be an olefin. The rearranged product will be formed. In this, since there is a formation of tertiary cation or any other cation which can rearrange to other atom that is stabilized by resonance or other effect, then there will be an rearrangement. This type of rearrangement you will see in case of pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. You also there will be a rearrangement. There occur a rearrangement. So in case of SNN1 reaction, we will find that rearrangement can also occur because there is a carbocation is a formation, and this carbocation, however, in such way they will rearrange to the more stable carbocation. In case of SN1 reaction, the carbocation form from tetrahedral product, tetrahedral reactant, that is, for example, tertiary butyl chloride. It is a tetrahedral carbon atom. Then this carbon, then when it forms carbocation, it will be planar. So this planar, triangular planar carbocation, there is a possibility of attack of the nucleophile from both the sides, from upper side and in lower side. So the formation of racemic product, that is, if we start with a compound, for example, D plus or R, stereochemical consideration, then you will get the equimolecular mixture of both products. One attacked from the upper side and other attacked from the lower side, and we get the racemic product. This is a stereochemical consideration of the SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, we'll get the not the absolute product, we will get the racemic mixture of two products. But in SN2 reaction, this is also a nucleophilic substitution reaction, but there is no formation of carbocation. First, nucleophile attack the reactant, at the same time the nucleophile attack and the leaving group leaves in the same way at the same time, and the product is the absolutely the stereoselective. If we get one product, you will get only one. Later on, we will consider the stereospecific reaction and stereoselective reaction. So, in SN1 reaction, first the nucleophile approach to the reactant, leaving group starts to depart, then a transition state which contains about the five atom or group in the rate determining step, and it is like an umbrella of the 3 methyl group in the same plane Another incoming nucleophile is the, if we consider the handle of the umbrella, if we consider the top of the umbrella, the living group, then there is a umbrella type intermediate. Then gradually the living group leaves and the incoming group takes the position of the carbon atom. And we get, if we consider that the methyl chloride undergo solvolytic reaction with solvent like sodium hydroxide, the alcoholic sodium hydroxide, will get the methyl alcohol. Why it is called SN2 reaction? Because in the rate determining step, both the reactant and the nucleophiles are also involved in the rate determining step, that is SN2 reaction. So in case of SN2 reaction, you will get the product which is inverted in configuration. If we consider, if we start with a compound with D plus, you will get L, dextrorotatory to levorotatory. Or if we start with a compound with R configuration, you will get the S configuration. That is the inverted in configuration. So the starting material is R, then you will get S. If we get D, you will get L. That is inverted in configuration of the product. That is, as in SN2 reaction, inversion occurs. And this can also be studied if we dating the, if we take the radioactive iodine, that is methyl iodide with radioactivity containing radioactive A, and if the nucleophile attack, then the product does not have any radioactive iodine. So this that the iodine lives in such a way that there will be no, so this is an inversion in configuration. So if we consider this type of reaction, SN1 and SN2 reaction, you will find that the primary halide, secondary halide, and tertiary halide, the relative rates of SN1 reaction increases from primary to tertiary. In opposite way, SN2 reaction to tertiary to primary. In this way, SN1 and SN2 reaction occurs, and this involvement of the carbocation is very important in organic chemistry. Or in case of carbon ion, is also involved in SN in organic chemistry. Because the carbocations are only the electrophilic substitution in aliphatic system, that is on carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-oxygen double bond. In benzene system, electrophilic substitution and benzene. Similarly, the nucleophile, that is also, that is CH3 minus, also involved in various reaction in carbon.
हेलो सर, चले गए क्या? अरे सर चले गए।
चले नहीं गए, सर को रिमूव कर दिया।
कौन रिमूव किया?
कौन रिमूव किया? ये क्या था भाई?
अरे मौज हो
ऐसा
गया,
कौन
मौज।
करते भाई? ऐड कर, ये सब क्या है?
अरे सर को
रिमूव করে যায় নাকি?
थोड़ी ना
अबे
है।
क्यों रिमूव করে দিয়েছে? কে রিমুভ করলো?
अबे सर खुद एडमिन है, उनका ना नेट प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा। लिंक तो सर
सर
सर भेज
एडमिन नहीं
दिया
है,
ना।
सर एडमिन नहीं है, कोई और
हेलो, ए भाई सर को लेके आ, सर को लेके आ। ऐसा
ज्वाइन
गलत
करा
बात है।
भाई, सब कुछ ज्वाइन करा।
सर को बोलेगा कि ना नेट प्रॉब्लम है आपका, ठीक है।
স্যার জয়েন করলো মনে হলো, নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম
Hello.
হচ্ছে আমার সব কিছু। হ্যাঁ।
यस सर, नाउ
हाँ
यू आर ऑडिबल।
ইয়েস স্যার।
ना एसटी देखो আবার
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ
স্যার
এখন
আছে।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
हाँ हाँ so electrophilic substitution or nucleophilic substitution, you will find the both electrophile and nucleophile, cation or carbocation or carbocation involved. Now I am saying that the carbon ion, that is the carbon content anion, how it is stabilized. Huh? If the carbon atom contain anion which contains an electron withdrawing group, that is, or if there is a resonating ability, then it will also stabilize. For example, if we consider the ethyl acetoacetate, ethyl CH3CO CH2 COOT, CH3CO CH2 COOT. If we add a base, then the CH3CO CH2 COOT, that this CH2 hydrogen atom is reactive enough because this is in between the electron withdrawing group, that is CH3CO and COOT. Then this anion formed by the removal of the hydrogen atom to form the anion which is stabilized by tautomeric effect. Similarly, if we consider the diacetyl acetone, that is CH3CO CH2 CH3, this CH2 group is very reactive due to presence of two COCH3 group in between. If we add a base, then hydrogen atom will removed as a proton and we will get the anion. This anion is stabilized by resonating effect or other effect. This type of carbon ion are involved very much in synthetic organic chemistry, like the addition of to the carbon oxygen double bond, etc. For example, simple example, cyanide ion, Cn minus, which is a nucleophile, which reacts with the carbonyl group. If we consider the HBr, Br minus, which involved in the addition of carbon-carbon double bond. So the nucleophiles are also very much important in organic reaction in nucleophilic addition reaction. It is also, nucleophiles are also involved in the nucleophilic addition to aromatic system. We generally know the aromatic system already has electron, it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. But nucleophile also add to the carbon-rich aromatic system. So this intermediate, that is electrophile or nucleophile, carbocation or carbanion or free radical, etc., are very important organic intermediate which are involved in our synthetic organic chemistry or in the reaction mechanism of the reaction. Now, any question from you? I will send you this lecture to your CR. Any question? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Sir, kindly send us the notes of whatever you're teaching, okay, sir?
Huh?
Sir, kindly send us the notes of whatever you're taught.
তো নোটসের ব্যাপারে বলছে ও নোটস চাই
হ্যাঁ বলো কি বলছো শুনতে পাচ্ছি হ্যাঁ
ওই
Sir,
ওই তো
notes,
নোটস
notes.
চাই
We are talking about notes.
হ্যাঁ নোটস আমি পাঠিয়ে দেবো
Okay, sir, all right.
এবং এই কার্বোক্যাটায়ন স্টেবিলিটি কার্বানায়ন স্টেবিলিটি তারপরে SN1 SN2 যেটুকু পড়ালাম তোমাদের খুব বেশি নেই তো হ্যাঁ যেটুকু আছে সেটুকু আমি নোটস এঁকে পাঠিয়ে দেবো তোমাদের সিআরকে হ্যাঁ হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে হ্যাঁ সে তোমাদের করে দেবে হ্যাঁ এবং তোমরা 2-1 বছরের কোশ্চেন ফলো করলেই পাবে যে কিভাবে ওই থাকে একটা কোশ্চেন থাকে যে স্টেবিলিটি কার বেশি কার কম হ্যাঁ অ্যালিফেটিক সিস্টেম অ্যারোমেটিক সিস্টেম হ্যাঁ বেনজাইডিক সিস্টেম অ্যালাইডিক সিস্টেম ভিনাইডিক সিস্টেম হ্যাঁ এই সমস্ত সিস্টেমগুলো থাকে সুতরাং এইগুলো তোমরা পেয়ে যাবে
Excuse me, sir.
হ্যাঁ
Sir, from the next lecture, if you can send the notes beforehand so we can follow along, so that will be beneficial.
From the next lecture, I will send you the notes before lecture. Then you will see it and it will be benefit to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you, sir.
And sir, kindly, if you consider doing some board work, then it will be helpful for us because since you're discussing all of this.
But now I am very, very remote place of in our village.
Okay.
And I request Professor Dr. Bhattacharya that I will not take class. But he repeatedly told me, due to COVID situation, I am not in Calcutta now. That's why here net problem is, then I will try it in other way, that is
Sir, you
I am
can screen
trying.
share the notes if possible.
Huh?
Sir, you can screen share the notes.
I
Sir,
will
or you
share
can send the notes to us before the class. We will screen share it for you.
And that will be benefited to you. I will share you the notes. Then you will see it and then you will ask me question. Okay. But next day I will try to show you in writing in a plain paper. I will try you in the but in my village house I have no computer or I'm just telling you from mobile phone and network is very poor. I will try in the next class from in paperwork. I will do some paperwork and I will show you in the camera. I will try it. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Sir, which book will we have to follow?
Any organic chemistry book.
Okay,
Any past course organic chemistry book that is in higher secondary level, in CBSE, ICSC board level, or in past course level, you can consider any book. Or I will send you the note that will helpful to you, and that from this you will get the maximum. If you consider if you consider if you see the last 2 years, the question will be the same type. That is not that will not be the problem to you.
Okay, sir.
So the level of this course is equivalent to class 12.
You can consider Subroto Sengupta past course book. You can consider KL Sharma past course book. Not the honors level. It is only the past course level or HS or HS level, ISC level.
Sir, can we
Okay, sir.
use the Jan and Jan book?
Yes. Any type of book. You will find that this type of problem, you will get it. Any question? ঠিক আছে তবে next 14th.
Yes, sir.
Then I will send you the this note and coming lecture note. I will send it to CR and you will get it and you will see it and then you can see and you can make me a question. What are the problem? You have no writings in front of you. That is the problem of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে লেফট করছি
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.